All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Sunday preposition. So inwards. Inwards. To the inside part of something. She walked inwards to the light. We went inwards to find an answer. Yes. We walked inwards together. I think they only went inwards when I told them to. Yeah, definitely. They looked inwards and found themselves. Yes, quite important. Definitely. We went deeper inwards into the cave. Yes. They slowly crept deeper inwards into the office, for example. Yeah. I'm turning inwards to find the answer. Yes, the answer is inside. It is inwards. You have to look inwards to find the answer. You have to look inwards. Look inwards to find the answer. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Soon we will have to go inwards before it's too late. Inwards into the castle. Inwards into those cars. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, inwards. Now, can you use inwards in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy. And you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.